Welcome to Fusing Topics with the Mikulka Group over here at 275 Route 79 in Morganville, New Jersey. We can be reached at 855 Mikulka.
As always.
Pete, what are we going to talk about today?
I just want to give a little bit of a pause here.
Yeah.
And say, Christine, I think we have a problem. Shel Silverstein?
Yeah.
Shel Silverstein?
Like Shel Silverstein was a songwriter. Like, who knew? That guy, he's an interesting
Who's
guy.
Shel Silverstein?
Okay, I have to step in for a second. Pete, how do you not know who Shel Silverstein is? He's one of the most iconic authors to write children's poem books. I'm so surprised, and I can't believe I didn't call you out while we were filming. Yeah.
Okay, it's not like I forgot who Charles Dickens was. And so I went to my wife, right? Because I saw your response to me,
Yeah.
okay? And so I went to my wife and I was like, hey, listen, Shel Silverstein. She was like, who?
Really?
You guys have kids, right?
We have more kids than you could ever imagine. We have tons of kids.
Yeah, that's shocking to me.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, neither of us have heard of Shel Silverstein. And you don't need Shel Silverstein to raise a family. That's all I'm saying. This Shel Silverstein.
Listen, I didn't know this was going to be the vibe today. I didn't come prepared.
Yeah, we kind of ambushed her. That's true.
But all I'm saying is this all sounds like a personal problem on your end. And you need to take a seat and take a deep breath.
Take a beat.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Well, I have to mention, though, that Shel wrote A Boy Named Sim. And that's pretty freaking cool, man. But welcome to Fusing Topics.
All right. So today, Johnny, we're going to talk about generators.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to talk about the fact that we're giving away a generator.
Oh my God.
106 Thunder. That's right. Check out 106.3 Thunder's website. And also check out our website to learn the artist of the day for their call-in contest, the Cash Call. For $100.
Great.
And you can win an extra $100 if you know the artist of the day that we list on our website at 855 Mikulka.
Cool.
So, speaking of generators,
Yes.
one more time I want to talk about the placement of generators.
Yes.
Okay, and I want to call this segment, Where Can I Put This Thing? When we talk about generators, first of all, we're talking about single family homes. We're talking about you need a little bit of property on the side of your house or in the rear of your house. And then we have a lot of rules that we have to follow about where can we put this thing. Yep. So there's a lot of clearance issues from other equipment. We have to stay away from the air conditioners. We have to stay away from the windows. We have to stay away from meters. We can't block the meters. So a lot of times, one of the most important things is, where can I put this thing? So the best thing to do, give us a call at 855 Mikulka. I'll come out on site. I have a beautiful little template that Johnny made me. That's the exact size of a generator. We can measure the clearances right at that time, and we can figure out where exactly we can put this generator at your house.
That's right.
So give us a call, and that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about as far as generators go today. But Johnny,
yeah.
do you have anything on the music and movies corner?
I do.
Country.
Yes. Country
edition.
related. Yes, the country edition. Today I wanted to talk about country stars who have made it in movies. And there's
There's a lot of them.
There's a lot. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
So I guess on the top of my list is, to go along with the outlaw country, Chris Christopherson.
Chris Christopherson is an interesting dude, huh?
Totally. He made it in movies as well. Well, just right off the bat, name a movie.
A Star is Born.
A Star is Born. That's the one I go to. So
right.
He was.
But he was also great. He's great.
Great, period.
He was in Convoy. Remember Convoy?
Oh.
Convoy was what a phenomenon that was.
Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton is a wonderful person.
Yeah. Name a movie.
I don't know.
9 to 5?
9
Does
to
it just
5?
come right off? Working 9 to 5. Billy Ray Cyrus. He was big with he had the mullet, right?
Right.
But he was in one of my favorite directors, David Lynch. He was in Mulholland Drive.
Okay, wow, yeah. I missed that. Who else we got?
All right, so Lyle Lovett, he was in Fear and Loathing.
Yeah, remember that dude? He married Julia Roberts.
For like a second.
Yeah, that was a crazy scene. Glenn Campbell. Yeah. Glenn Campbell deserves his own segment. And I think we should get to Glenn Campbell on our next podcast,
and
for sure.
And he was great in True Grit.
So listen, and if by any chance you might want some construction or some electrical work or a generator, please give us a call at 855-MIKULKA. Obviously, we will stop at any point in our day to talk to you about anything at all related to music or movies. But definitely give us a call if you're interested in a generator or some contracting work or electrical work. And please don't forget to log on to 1063 Thunder's website and also to log on to our website, 855-MIKULKA, to be able to win an extra $100 by knowing the artist of the day. Everybody take care. See you next time.